Hello from Nottingham Farm, and today we're going to be talking about live sourdough starters and the first steps when you get your starter. And what we have here is the product that we're going to have, and also something you might want to get, which is a 32-ounce mason jar that you can put the sourdough starter into. But first, let's talk about what to do with your sourdough starter. Your live shipped version has been sent to you as it's been live, and so you want to feed it right away because it's been travelling. And to do that, you get a 32-ounce mason jar, open the plastic container for the sourdough starter and empty the sourdough starter into the 32-ounce mason jar. This video is about the San Francisco 200 sourdough starter. Now there's other versions available like the Welsh 900 or the Bavarian Black Death, but this video particularly is about the San Francisco 200. For the San Francisco 200 sourdough starter, you're going to need unbleached bread flour, spring or non-chlorinated water, and again mixed to a pancake batter texture, an American pancake batter texture. Again, remove the lid, just eyeball straight away how much starter you feel is in there, and then try and add an equal amount of unbleached bread flour. Once you've got roughly the right amount, we're going to add the water and mix until we get to that American pancake batter texture. Now the San Francisco 200, because of the flour it uses, is a much more stickier consistency, which is great for building those large rising loaves, but it can be a little bit stickier when you're trying to mix it for the first time. And again, once you get to the same sort of textures you see on the screen, you're going to place it with the lid loosely on or with a cloth lid over the top in a warm area. And we're looking for it to double in size within 24 hours and get all nice and bubbly. As soon as that happens, you're ready to start baking with it. If not, you're going to repeat every 24 hours. And now it's important to remember that it can become active again within 1 day or 5 days, and just keep feeding until you get that nice bubbly texture. And once you get that nice rise and bubbly texture every day, then you're ready to start baking, which is our next video.